In this video, I calculate randomized complete block design with missing observation. We also calculate efficiency of randomized complete block design with completely randomized design. And at the end, we also find the relative efficiency of RCB design with missing observation of RCB design. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Here is the question, statement of question. Given below the layout of randomized complete block design. This is the layout. Blocks are on row sides and treatments are on column sides. 3 treatments A, B, C and 3 blocks 1, 2 and 3. Do the treatments differ from each other? If so, which from which? And also find the efficiency of RCB design to CR design. Question number 2. Suppose the observations in circle is missing. Estimate the RCB design with missing observation. And the third part is calculate the efficiency of this design with missing observations relative to complete design. Now we solve part first. Do the treatment differ from each other when the randomized complete block design has no missing observation? Suppose that this is 15, this is the first, this treatment is not missing here. So these are the treatments and here are the blocks. First we find, as you know, first we find correction factor. The formula for correction factor is square of grand total over RK. R is the number of replication which is a replication represented by block. In each block there is 3 replication and K represent the number of treatments. So grand total is 84 and we have 3 rows and 3 here we have 3 replications and 3 treatments. So the answer is 784. Next we calculate total sum of square, which is sum of Yij square minus correction factor. Yij represent the each observation. Double sum shows some variation on treatment sides and other variation on block sides. So 6 square plus 15 square plus so on 13 square minus 784. The answer is 156 after simplification. Next we calculate treatment sum of square. Sum of Ti dot square over R minus correction factor. This formula is obtained because treatment I dot on column sides there is variation on column size. Column is represented by J and row is represented by I. So Ti dot and divided by number of replication. 15 square plus 29 square plus 40 square divided by 3 minus correction factor. So here is the answer of treatment sum of square. What is block sum of square? Block sum of square is equal to summation B dot J square over K minus correction factor. So we go for block. So there is variation on row side. So dot show for I and J for treatment. So B dot J use for blocks and 33, 28 and 23 are the totals. 33 square plus 28 square plus 23 square divided by 3 minus correction factor. So this is block sum of square. Error sum of square is equal to total sum of square minus treatment sum of square minus block sum of square. So error sum of square is equal to 156 minus 104.67 minus 16.67. So here is the answer of error sum of square. Here we have the ANOVA table, source of variation, treatment, block, error, total, block, treatment 3 minus 1, 2 degree of freedom and sum of square 104.67. This is the mean square error 52.33. Block sum of square 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, sum of square 16.67, sum of square B 8.33. Error sum of square 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. And this is sum of square that we got above error sum of square here is 34.66 and divided the sum of square error with its degree of freedom, it is mean square error. And next, total degree of freedom, RK, number of replication minus number of treatment minus 1, here is 4. We can also get the error degree of freedom by subtracting 8 minus treatment minus block, answer is 4. And this is computed value 52.33 mean square error divided by sum of square error 8.66. So we got answer 6.04. And for block sum of square 8.33 divided by 8.66. This is sum of square for error. This is mean square error for error, and this is mean square for blocks, and this is mean square for treatments. So F computed value is obtained by mean square error for treatment over mean square for error for error, and for block mean square error for blocks over mean square error for mean square for error. So this is the table value. As you know, computed value is less than table value, so it falls in acceptance region, and we accept our H0 and conclude that treatments do not differ from each other. Relative efficiency R minus 1 B square plus RK minus 1 SE square over RK minus 1 SE square. So put the values. We have number of replication 3 minus 1 2, sum of square B 8.33 plus R is 3, K minus 1 2, SE square 8.66 over 9 minus 1 8 and SE square 8.66. So we left with answer 99.04. So this indicates randomized complete block design is 99% efficient as compared to CR design. And our next question is, we calculate RCB design with missing observations. So we have the treatments, and here observation B is missing now. So we add treatment first. This is 15, this is T prime, because here one observation is missing and here is also one observation is missing. So show it with prime, and G prime is 69 because this observation is missing. Now we want to calculate randomized complete block design. For obtaining missing observation in randomized complete block design, the formula to be used is X is equal to RB prime plus KT prime minus G prime over R minus 1 into K minus 1. So B prime is 18 and R is 3, 54. K is 3 and T prime is 14. After multiplication 14 by 3 42, minus G prime is 69 over R minus 1 3 minus 1 2, K minus 1 3 minus 1 2, 2 multiplied by 2, answer is 4. So here is, we calculate missing observation. 6.75 is our missing observation. And now we got the total of treatment A, total for treatment B, total for treatment C, and this is the first block total, second block, third block, and this is the grand total. So next, rest of procedure is same as we discussed previous. First we found the correction factor, grand total square over RK, total sum of square of each observation minus correction factor, treatment sum of square of the treatments 15 square plus 20.75 square plus 40 square divided by 3 minus correction factor, block sum of square, these are the blocks, 24.75 square plus 28 square plus 23 square divided by the number of treatments, which is 3, minus correction factor. So we got the block sum of square. Error sum of square is obtained by the formula total sum of square minus treatment sum of square and block sum of square. Here is some error. This is 123, not point. This write by mistakenly 123 minus 114.29 minus 4.29. Answer is 4.41. Now we perform our ANOVA because we have 3 treatments. 3 minus 1 2 block, 3 minus 1 2, because one observation is missing, so its error is 3. Here is also one observation is missing, RK minus 1. So the answer is 7 with degree of freedom. And put these values as we calculate here. Sum of squares, mean square error is obtained by dividing the sum of square by its degree of freedom. So this is the answer. And F computed value is obtained, mean square error for treatment divided by the mean square for error. 57.14 divided by 1.472. Similarly for blocks, 2.146 divided by 1.47. Sum of square error 2 1.472 for missing observations. Sum of square error 1 which is 8.66 for actual observations. Here is the sum of square for error 8.66 with complete observations. And we calculate for missing observations. Sum of square for error, it is represented by E2, sum of square for error 2 1.47. This error is with missing observations and this is without missing observations. Now we calculate the efficiency of missing observations relative to design with actual observations. Sum of square E1 with error with actual observation, error with missing observation multiplied by 100. So this design with missing observations is 588.65% more efficient as compared to design with missing observations. If you want to see videos on layout of randomized complete block design, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.